kind of resonate with me. I don't know if that's true for other folks.
Does anyone else feel like that? You want to just jump in and
do you guys see the value in it though? Do you see the opportunity that can be made from this? Is the whole point?
Definitely, I see that.
Where's the opportunity? $500 or?
No, it's more than that. It's really selling what your niche is, what you're trying to sell on your website by cross-promoting and using free media to sell it. So instead of spending $10,000 on a whole marketing campaign, which would probably include newspapers and ads and on the internet and all this other stuff, we're showing you a way to market your site, your product for free.
doesn't cost you anything?
Minimal cost, if not free, to be honest with you, but in an effective, proven way that's kind of only just emerging right now. Not a lot of people are doing it. It's only starting, but like anything else, when it starts, it's the most exciting time.
And you're referring
So social media system.
Very, very, very long.
Both of you are a little confused because in the first one I explained how we're going to do the social media, how to use Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to drive tons of free traffic to your website. So a little recap. Basically, the bottom line is it's the easiest time to get traffic to your website. And that's what makes a website really effective, is the traffic that comes to it. So if you can do that, your website's worth a lot more money.
That kind of leads us to number 5, where how do we value your website? A lot of companies value by traffic, right? And the success rate, how much people actually go to your site and buy stuff. And that all kind of lends itself to this whole system, which is trying to funnel all that traffic towards you. So in a way, the system is giving your site value. Does that make sense?
So don't look at that like $500. That's one site. Let's say you learn the system, you learn how to do it. It takes you 5 minutes to set up these sites, put in all the right tools that you need, and now you can make a clone of them, right? You can make 10 of these kind of sites. Sell each one for $500. Well, that's $5,000 on the site.
Are you gonna? Because some of us over here are struggling with, like, you keep using the word niche, which is a great word.
Sure.
Are you going to talk about or get into developing a strategy to determine what the most saleable type of sites are? Okay.
So one of the things I'm going to do is, you're talking about a market analysis.
Mm-hmm.
So there's
not necessarily a comprehensive market analysis, but based on what you've done yourself thus far, because I don't have any product in mind. This system all sounds great, but I don't have any product in mind. I mean, I have a lot of things that I'm passionate about, but I don't have one particular thing in mind.
Okay. So, yes, I'm going to put up on my own blog.
Mm-hmm.
I'm creating a blog as we speak. I'm going to put up videos of how to actually pick a niche, how to enter a market, and how to get ranked on Google for that particular market. And I'm going to give you some of the secrets. I've learned which ones, for example, generate the most from Google AdSense, which ones are going to generate the most from selling the site. Which niche are you going to try to figure out? That's going to be up to you, because I'm going to give you a broad niche, and then this program that I'm going to give you is going to break it down into a micro niche that you're going to be able to enter, and you're going to become the leader in this micro niche.
So say, for instance, at the macro view, you're talking about classic sports cars.
Sure.
And then you're talking about, you're going to keep distilling it down where you might be looking at a classic, right, a 1965 Mustang or something like that.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna figure out, you're gonna become an expert, and then you're gonna market that particular niche. You're gonna just focus on that one particular niche.
Thank you.
Do you mean we should be selling a product, or we should just have an interest?
Well, there's two things. You can give information products. You can sell information products, what you know about that particular market, for example.
You mean like selling like an ebook or something?
Like, not in consulting, but like an ebook, for example. You sell an ebook, which is an information product.
So you do have to sell something on the website.
Not necessarily. You don't have to sell anything. You can sell other people's stuff. You can sell other people. Through affiliate marketing, you don't have to sell your own. Ideally, you want to sell your own things, right? If you want to do that. But I'm giving you an easy method of how to make money without selling your own product. Because creating your own product is very difficult. I'm not going to lie to you. Creating your own product, you're going to have to take time and fill out. You're going to figure out.
If we sell without the product, if you have an interest, you're worried about the interest, so how do you make the money? Either you sell it for somebody that's $200 or you get the money from the ads, right? That's the problem, right?
Yeah.
And if you want to use something on eBay, Amazon, for example, I want to sell, for example, products from Czech Republic, but I don't want to make them, I want to use other sites, it's not possible as well?
Yeah, check ClickBank. They should have something similar. So they're the biggest ad affiliate network in online, I think. It's one of the biggest. So they'll show you which ones you can enter. Find other ones and sell other people's products.
We should be thinking of this as more of a money system rather than like realizing a big lifelong business dream, because the idea is to sell the website.
That's one of the ideas. Yeah. That's one of the ideas. You don't have to. You can build it, create a product, create a marketing list, create a sales page, create all these things, and then make money from your actual product. But remember, you said you don't have a product yet. Right? So that could be in the future as well. So create your own product eventually. But this is just the tools that you will need to start it without trying to figure it out on your own. Basically here to give it all to you.
And you might as well have a revenue stream coming in.
Well, you're starting your product. Because you're going to need a lot of money to start your product.
Do you know the blog speakpablina.com? Is that how it works?
Which one?
Speakpablina.com is very, very famous blog. He has sermons just saying it's very, very difficult to make money with blog.
Yes, it has.
He has a lot of things entered in, like little revenue streams, just to keep it going. Not just like, but
His content, his blog articles.
yeah.
So then you're also going to put in every post, there's going to be an ad as well. So every post every time someone reads a post, there's going to be an ad there. So you're going to be generating for every time someone clicks on a new post. See the potential? The more posts you have, the more money you can make.
Yeah. Is there a service that will generate articles for you?
There is.
There is. We can talk about it.
There is. I've also created an automatic system that can just do it for you. But
Depending where you want it from.
and ideally, you want original content that's interesting to people. But yes, we can talk. If you don't want to write your own content, I have teams that actually can write the content for you, and I have systems that will do it automatically for you. So if you want to just drive traffic and make money right away, you can actually do it.
You can also purchase articles.
You could purchase articles, sure. You could buy anything, but the whole point is not to spend money, it's to make money and spend the least amount of money as possible and make the most money as possible in the shortest amount of time.
If you're doing the articles, you do that right or you confirm the purchase.
They are professional content writers. And he has people, and we have people that we can refer at least.
So this makes sense. This is